you want a hot one, yeah. You with the hottest under the sun, but be careful what you wish for, make you eat your words.
Girl, let's get into it, because baby, this ain't it. We gotta get this head together. Okay, so I have a new unit from West Kiss. Woo woo. All the links will be down below in the description box. This is a HD lace wig with a 5x5 closure, 24 inches long. My cap size is medium, and look at that. The wig comes already pre-cut. The knots are already bleached, and girl, we got some curls already in here. You don't have to worry about curling this unit. Get into it, okay? Look at it, how it just blends into my skin. Another thing that I was just like so amazed by is the fact that it only comes with an elastic band. I never had a wig like this. It doesn't have any clips in the inside, and I'm just like, what? At first I'm like, how is this going to like stay on without clips and stuff? But I'm gonna show y'all later. So you do get some goodies. Here's all the goodies that you get inside of the box, and I'm also going to go ahead and apply some foundation in the inside, just so it can match more with my skin complexion. So I'm just going to take some powder foundation and apply it. You really don't have to do this though. When I tell y'all, it just like blends. Like, look at that. Look at my face. I was so amazed. So amazed, okay? So amazed. Y'all, so I was gonna keep this video as a voiceover, but baby, I had to come in and talk to y'all and tell y'all about this wig. Baby, I just put her on. Like, y'all, she looks so good. I don't know, maybe it's a thing with the clips. This wig does not have clips, like I previously told you guys, and it fits so good and it's so comfortable. You don't have to worry about no clips like sticking and poking you. Ooh, they are onto something with this. I'm definitely a fan. Y'all, look at this. Totally glueless. Totally glueless. It comes already pre-cut, bleached knots, curls in it. Get into it. Video over. Link down below. It's like really nothing else I need to show you guys. This is crazy. Let me zoom out. Oh my goodness. All right, so we are gonna comb through it just a little bit. I'm trying to decide if I want to cut some layers into it. Like, look at the curls once you comb them. Oh, these are so pretty. Ooh. But this is definitely a beginner friendly wig. If you, and I'm gonna go over with the hot comb just to get these like little bumps and lumps out. But girl, this wig, this is like a ready to go wig. I've had some really good wigs, but this one right here, this is in the top. Like, girl, look at these curls. Get into it. Okay, let's get into, you know, laying it down and getting it a little bit like, y'all see that, huh? Y'all see that? So we're gonna get it right. But the only thing I would say is you gotta make sure you got it in the middle so your part is straight. I really don't even need to add any. I usually add like foundation powder to the middle parting. Don't really need to do that. I don't know if I'm gonna do it or not, simply because it looks so good. All right, that really threw me for a loop. I was not expecting this wig to just like. Also, you can rock a side part if you want to do that, if you want to switch it up a little bit. So there's like a method with the hot comb. Let me tell y'all. So before I was just going like this, you know, combing it, but it works so much better. I don't know, when I put it, like I put it through like a comb, right? But I press down as I go down on it. I mean, that might be the right way to use it anyways, and I'm just figuring it out. But you comb it in and then you press down so that this smooth side right here will like smooth everything out. Y'all see how flat that is compared to this side? I'm sure y'all can see the difference. Y'all see the difference? Y'all see it? Yeah, y'all can definitely see it. You see how this goes down, and you see the lump right there. Like I said, I got a little ponytail right there, so that's why we got that little hump. But you see how that went down. Y'all can definitely see it now. Like, yeah, we dumpy over here. You're gonna take your wax stick and you're gonna go over the part that you're gonna hot comb. And just be cautious when you're doing this because it is on your head. So this is hot, and that heat can definitely penetrate through this wig and it will like burn you. Okay, so just be careful when you're doing that. This step is definitely optional, you guys. This wig is so easy to apply. I just felt like I needed to do something else. It could not just come this perfect, but I just went in and just plucked. Really didn't have to, really didn't need to. I just plucked around the edges a little bit. And right now I'm just cutting some layers. Now this is something that I felt like I really needed to do. I don't like how it looked without the layers. It just shapes and frames my face a little bit more with the layers in it. And I did curl just like this front piece. The rest of the hair I did not worry about curling, simply because this unit comes with curls already in it. And you see how that looks. Like, look at the difference. You see this side that I cut, how it just shapes my face. Let me know down below, can you see the difference? Like, it's definitely a difference. Definitely a difference. This is the side that I didn't cut, and the other side is the side that I did cut layers in. So we're gonna go ahead and cut some layers in the other side, and I'm gonna curl that side and get it to match with the other one. But this is basically it, guys. You really don't have to do much with this unit. I did go in and apply some foundation to my part. I was just trying to find stuff to do because I couldn't believe that this wig just came so ready to go. Like, this is crazy. Absolutely love how it came out. All the links will be down below in the description box, so guys, make sure you check it out. This wig is full, okay? This hair is full. But yeah, look at that. Watch me pull this wig up, girl. Watch me pull it up. Look at the back, full hair. But I just cannot believe how well it's glueless, 100% glueless. Like, look how well it just blends in when I just put it down. You see I'm running a comb under it, glueless. You can just throw this bad boy on and go. But I'm gone, y'all. I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Mwah.
No, you